Welcome! In this channel, we explain automotive terms. A coupe is a passenger car with two doors, a trunk, or a hatchback. The roof can be a hardtop or convertible. Some coupes only two people, but others have room for up to five. Coupe rooflines are often dramatic, with a pronounced slope to the profile, particularly in the back, lending itself to a tapered finish. Interior headroom is sometimes compromised as a result, especially for passengers designated for the back seat. Coupe is based on the past participle of the French verb couper, which means to cut and thus indicates a car that has been cut or made shorter than standard. It was first applied to horse-drawn carriages for two passengers without rear-facing seats. Two-door, two-passenger coupes are often performance-oriented vehicles such as the Audi TT, Porsche 911, and Mazda Miata. Some two-passenger coupes have a mid-engine layout with a power plant behind the passengers, like the 2020 Acura NSX and redesigned 2020 Chevrolet Corvette. These coupes often have storage in the front of the vehicle, with a second trunk area in the rear. Less practical examples include the Chevrolet Camaro, Ford Mustang, and Lexus RC. More practical coupes include the Audi A5, BMW 4 Series, Dodge Challenger, and Honda Civic Coupe. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.